Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. Today, there's a big breaking news coming up for our indigenously developed light combat aircraft LCA Tejas. Tejas is now not only Tej but also has become Ghatak. We all know how important is the beyond visual range combat capabilities in the modern era warfare. While the integration and testing of indigenously developed Astra Mark I with Tejas is still in progress, there was a need of a stopgap arrangement. DRDO has once again proven its mettle by integrating and testing the Python and IW missiles with Tejas. Talking about the test conducted on April 27, 2021, the integration of 5th generation Python 5 air-to-air missile has been fired at Goa. The trials were aimed to validate the enhanced capability of an already integrated Derby beyond visual range air-to-air missile on Tejas. The test firing at Goa completed a series of missile trials to validate its performance under extremely challenging scenarios. The Derby missile achieved direct hit on a high-speed maneuvering aerial target, and the Python missiles also achieved 100% hit, thereby validating their complete capability. The trials met all the planned objectives. The missiles were fired from Tejas aircraft of ADA flown by Air Force test pilots belonging to National Flight Test Center NFTC. If we further analyze this test carefully, it is talking about the test of two missiles, Python 5 and Derby. The Rafael, Python and Derby are the family of air-to-air missiles built by Israeli weapon manufacturers Rafael Advanced Defense Systems. The Python 5 is the most accurate and reliable air-to-air missile of Israeli Air Force and one of the most sophisticated guidance missiles in the world. It is capable of lock-on after launch. The Python 5 is said to have full sphere launch ability, or is an all-spec missile, meaning it can be launched at a target regardless of target's location relative to the direction of launching aircraft. It can lock on targets after launch, even when they are up to 100 degrees off the bore side of launching aircraft. The missile features an advanced seeker which includes an electro-optical and image-infrared homing seeker which can scan the target area of hostile aircraft, then locks on for terminal chase. With a total of 18 control surfaces and careful design, the resulting missile is supposed to be as maneuverable as any other air-to-air missile with a thrust vectoring nozzles. The first operational kill by Python 5 was in August 2006 during the Lebanon War. The missile was fired from an F-16 Fighting Falcon and destroyed an Iranian-made Abil-T UAV launched by Hezbollah. In October 2012, the Python missile launched from an F-16I fighter of Israeli Air Force successfully intercepted an Iranian-made unmanned aerial vehicle intruding into the Israeli airspace. Talking about its specifications, it weighs around 105 kg. It is equipped with an infrared and electro-optical imaging for the guidance. It can carry a warhead of up to 11 kg. It has a range of 20 km and a speed of Mach 4. Now, let's talk about the Derby missile. Derby is a BVR or Beyond Visual Range missile. It has a medium range of around 50 km with active radar homing. Though technically it is not part of Python family, the missile is enlarged version of Python 4 with an active radar seeker. Talking about its spec, it weighs around 118 kg. It uses an active radar for the guidance and it can carry a warhead of 23 kg. It has a range of 50 km and a speed of Mach 4. The Derby missile also has an extended version called Derby ER or IWER with an increased range of up to 100 km. To achieve the greater range, a dual pulse solid rocket motor was added, where the secondary pulse of energy as the missile nears the target extends the flight time. The test of Derby missile conducted by Tejas seems to be an extended version of Derby or Derby ER missile. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We'll be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.